Easy money online. Earn $980+ watching Google Ads Tutorial 2024. I've cracked the code and automated the process, making $35 over and over again. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with a method that not only earns you easy money, but also opens the door to a killer referral strategy. Intrigued? Let's peel the beans. Hey Profitability Plus Squad! Welcome back to the channel that's all about turning clicks into cash. Today, we're unraveling a money-making strategy that's already stacked up $900 in my pocket. And guess what? It involves doing something as simple as watching Google Ads. So grab a seat and let's dive straight into the dollars. If you watch one Google website ad, you'll pocket $3.5. Watch 10 and that's a cool $35, and it keeps rolling in. To tap into this cash flow, head over to the Get Paid To we're exploring today for making money online by watching Google Ads. Creating an account is a breeze. Hit join free today, fill in your details, skip the newsletter, agree to terms, verify your email and you're in. They even throw in a 25-point sign-up bonus, completely free. Now, let's cut to the chase. The website offers various ways to earn, but we're focusing on watching Google Ads. Skip the confusion and head to the Earn Points section, then dive into Quick Points. Click on URLs to rack up those easy points. Click the green View button, watch a quick ad, and points start stacking up. These points can be exchanged for real money. Simple, right? Just stay on the Google website for 5 seconds. Click Get Link, rinse, and repeat. Short links reset every 24 hours, bringing in fresh ads. Now, on to the third step, referrals. This is where the real magic happens. You get paid when others watch ads using your referral link. Easy money, right? And they sweeten the deal with a 15% commission in your referral's earnings. If they make $100, you pocket $15. Simple math. To kickstart your referral game, head to Earn Points, grab your referral link, and let's hit Facebook. Search for Make Money Online. Choose a public group with a sizable membership and create a post. Keep it casual, avoid spammy tactics, and invite them to DM you for more info. You'll be surprised how effective this simple strategy is. Now, follow up with your DMs, answer questions, and ensure everyone knows the ropes. This method won't make you rich overnight, but it's a solid way to earn some extra bucks. If you follow these steps, you can earn $3.5 for every Google ad you watch. Remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but with consistency, it adds up. Did you know that Google Ads was initially known as Google AdWords when it launched in 2000? It's been around for more than 2 decades, evolving and becoming the powerhouse of online advertising that we know today. So when you're watching those Google ads and earning $3.5 a pop, you're tapping into a platform with a rich history in shaping the digital advertising landscape. Ready for the second part of the video? Here's the deal. What if the first website isn't your cup of tea or doesn't quite fit the bill for you? No worries, I've got some alternatives up my sleeve that you can seamlessly switch to. So stick around as we explore not just one, but multiple avenues to turn your online time into cold, hard cash. Let's roll! So you've dipped your toes into the world of making money by watching Google Ads and it's got you hooked. But what if we're looking for options beyond our first website? Fear not, because I've got a lineup of alternatives that might just be the perfect fit for you. Number 1. Inbox Dollars, your all-in-one money-making hub. Inbox Dollars offers a quick and straightforward path to earn by watching videos and ads. Dive into a variety of short videos daily and explore additional money-making avenues like web searches, surveys, game playing, and promotional offers. Plus, score an easy $5 just for signing up. Cash out once you hit $30 with options like PayPal Cash, e-payment, gift cards, prepaid Visa card or charity donation, or a good old-fashioned check in the email. Be patient. Checks take between 10 to 16 business days to arrive. Number 2. Swagbucks. Swag your way to extra cash. Swagbucks, a free online reward site, lets you earn points by watching a diverse range of videos. From short clips to longer content, the categories are vast: entertainment, fashion, food, and more. But that's not all. Collect SBs by taking surveys, using coupons, online shopping with cashback rewards, and more. Cash in your points for gift cards or PayPal Cash, starting as low as 160 SBs for a $1 Amazon gift card or $5 for PayPal Cash. Number 3. Ibotta. Grocery shopping with cashback. Ibotta, the go-to app for cashback on groceries, might require you to watch ads to claim your rebates, but it's worth it. You could get up to $1 off your item when you scan your receipt. Quick, easy, and often under 30 seconds, these ads can add extra dollars to your pocket. If you're new to Ibotta, snag up to $20 in bonuses by creating an account and redeeming qualifying offers within 30 days. Number 4. Irazoo. Points galore for your screen time. Irazoo boasts over $55 million in cash rewards paid out to users. Sign up for free and get paid to watch ads and videos on your phone. Share your opinions on ads, movie trailers, watch short films, ad trailers, cooking tutorials, and more across 50+ channels of content. Daily inventory refreshes keep the content flowing. Accumulate points for various activities, including watching videos and ads, entering promo codes, reading emails, and completing offers. Cash out your points starting at 3,000 for gift cards to retailers like Amazon or AMC Theaters, or opt for cash via PayPal. Number 5. Nielsen TV Ratings. Make your TV time count. Nielsen, the powerhouse behind TV show ratings, offers a unique way to get paid for watching TV. While you can't sign up directly, keep an eye on your mailbox for an exclusive invitation. If you're selected, you'll become a Nielsen family, earning around $200 per year for your participation. It might not be a fortune, but getting paid to watch TV? That's a win in our book. And there you have it, money-making mavens. We've uncovered the secrets of turning your screen time into a lucrative side hustle. From watching Google ads to exploring alternative platforms, your journey to cashing in on the digital era starts now. Before you go, remember to hit that like button if you found these tips handy and share this video with your fellow go-getters. If you haven't already, subscribe to Profitability Plus for more exclusive insights into the world of online money making. Our community is all about unlocking the potential of every click, and we want you on board. Ready to supercharge your income? Don't miss out on the latest strategies and hacks to maximize your earnings. Click that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join the Profitability Plus family. Let's turn those clicks into cash together. Until next time, stay profitable.